Deep beneath the ice of Siberia, a discovery was made. Bones of an animal that walked the Earth over 10,000 years ago. Not just bones, but a frozen genetic time capsule. What if we could unlock it? What if ancient DNA could bring back a creature long extinct? This is the real-life story of how scientists are hacking the past to build a beast. Section 1. The Resurrection Dream. For decades, the idea of de-extinction belonged to science fiction. Jurassic Park painted the picture of dinosaurs returning, but in reality, dinosaurs' DNA is far too degraded. Still, not all was lost. Frozen in permafrost and tar pits, the remains of Ice Age giants, mammoths, saber-tooth cats, cave lions still hold fragments of their DNA. And that is all scientists need. Section 2. The Blueprint of Life. DNA is the instruction manual for life, but after thousands of years, it breaks into pieces, like a shredded ancient book. Scientists carefully reconstruct these fragments, comparing them to the DNA of living relatives. In the case of the woolly mammoth, the Asian elephant provides the missing chapters. Piece by piece, they stitch the story back together, creating a genetic blueprint that could rewrite the past. Section 3. The CRISPR Revolution. This is where modern science changes everything. CRISPR, the gene editing tool that acts like molecular scissors, allows researchers to cut, paste, and swap pieces of DNA with stunning precision. By inserting mammoth genes into elephant cells, they can transfer traits like thick hair, fat layers, and cold resistance. The result? An elephant engineered to survive in the Arctic. A hybrid beast, part living animal, part genetic echo of the past. Section 4. The Birth of a Beast. Imagine a lab where scientists nurture cells in glowing incubators. The edited DNA is placed inside an embryo. One day, it could be implanted into a living elephant, making her the mother of a creature unseen for thousands of years. Not a perfect copy of a mammoth, but something new, a living, breathing link between two worlds. If it survives, the beast will walk again. Section 5. Why bring it back? But this isn't just about curiosity. Scientists believe these mammoth-like elephants could reshape entire ecosystems. Once, mammoths stomped across the tundra, knocking down trees and keeping grasslands alive. Without them, Arctic landscapes changed. By bringing them back, researchers hope to slow permafrost melt, lock carbon in the ground, and even fight climate change. In other words, the beast might save the future by reviving the past. Section 6. The Ethical Dilemma. Yet, this power raises questions. Do we have the right to bring back extinct creatures? What if the new mammoth suffers? What if it doesn't fit in the modern world? And perhaps most haunting of all, once we master this science, what's to stop us from building creatures that never existed? Nature's rules are being rewritten, and humanity is holding the pen. Conclusion. Cliffhanger. So here we are, standing at the edge of a new age. In frozen bones and fragile DNA, scientists are finding ways to blur the line between extinction and existence. Will we rebuild the mammoth? Will we rewild the Earth with beasts of the past? Or are we opening a door to something far more unpredictable? One thing is certain. The future of life on this planet may not only be discovered, but engineered.